I'm gonna show you today how to replace the coils and the spark plugs on a Infiniti G35. And this is the error codes we're having. P0304, which is cylinder number 4 misfire detected. But in short, you have the spark plug going into the engine. If this fails, you don't have spark. This here, which is the coil, this is blue but usually is black. This guys here controls on and off, and the current is passed through the spark plug, so you have a little tiny spark which is enough to spark the fire. So if I start the car right now, it's shaking, it's vibrating, and I also have this check engine light, and it smells like gas. So this is how it comes. I'm gonna put the link in the description. It's 6 coils, 6 spark plugs. The first thing we gotta do is to remove this cover. So we're gonna take 4 10mm bolts. And I also found here what is the cylinder number. So you can see, if you put right there, it says 1 is on this side, then 2, 3, and 4. Means that the 4th is right under here. You always gotta look into something like this. I just found online, this is not mine, so kudos to those people. I'm gonna open this here. We're gonna remove all of this because we gotta reach something that is down there, unfortunately. So first thing I'm gonna do is unplug the connector. There's another bolt right here. This should open. I'm gonna take that guy now, and with that guy loose here, I'm gonna start moving this out, and this should be free. So I'm gonna lift this up. There's a cover here. Usually there should be clipped, but this one, as you see, it's already loose, and this is out. We're gonna move this out of the way. I need to take one bolt that was right in here, so I'm gonna loosen that guy. I'm also gonna remove this hose here, and now I have access to the connector. So there's one more bolt right here. There you go. I'm gonna use this screwdriver to help me leverage to remove this. There you go. Oh, there you go. See that little bolt down there? We're gonna take that. There's another one there, and one more in the end. This here is cylinder number 2, 4, and 6. And this two here is also your friend, because you're gonna go under here and you're gonna be able to pull it up. There you go. There's another 10mm down here, and it holds a bracket. So one coil is here. Wow, it's dripping in oil. So this is cylinder number 2, wasn't our problem. Number 4 is the second one you can see. Taking the broken one is actually not wet at all. The first one was wet. So this is a 5/8 or 16mm. It's a special for spark plugs. There is a piece of rubber on the bottom, but if you don't have it, you just need to be sure that you have a magnet. There you go. And we got the first one, and this one. Those are the new ones here. So I'm gonna tighten now. So when it's tightened, you just turn a little bit more. I think it's a silicone paste or grease. I don't know how this is actually called. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna move around, and there you go. You're looking great. And now we gotta put everything back in place. So when you put this back, just one comment, there's a hole on the bottom, and this fits right in there. So you need to be sure that you align everything properly. Okay, just so you see up close, this is what it was there beforehand. You push this in there, and this expands the bottom and locks it in. So you do that, expands the bottom and locks it in. It's locked. To take it out, you use that tool or a small screwdriver right in here, prop this up, and then it's gonna come out again. So this is good for us here. We don't need anything else. Let's just start the car and see if everything works. All right. See, there is no, I'm gonna put the other one here right now, and it smells like gas. And now you hear this one again. The old one broken, and it smells like gas. The new one. Okay, I think I'm gonna finish this video here. Hope this helps you. Hope you were able to do all of those. I just did 2 because it was easy. I didn't need to replace the third one, and I still have some left over. I'm gonna save this for some other day, which may never come, but I have it. So hope that helps. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Later.